Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the webcam is not working with your Google Chrome, then watch this video for the fix. The first thing we need to make sure is permissions are allowed on Google Chrome. So we'll click on these three buttons here and we will go to settings and we will look for privacy and security. In that we will go to site settings and in that we'll look for camera. So we have an option here, select the sites can ask you to use your camera and you need to select your default webcam in this bar. Once you do that, when you try to open any browser or sorry tab that is using your camera, then you need to click on the option allow the site to use your camera. You can deny it, but you need to allow it to be able to use your webcam. The second thing we can do is go to the flags in Google Chrome. For that we need to enter CHROME hyphen slash slash FLAGS and we'll press enter. And here we need to disable the media foundation video capture. So we'll look for media foundation. All right. And here you can see media foundation video capture. So you can disable it. And then you need to restart your Chrome and the camera should work perfectly for you. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.